This majestic home, located in historic Monte Vista, features a neoclassical design and is noteworthy for its association with renowned architect Atlee Ayers. Before we enter the home, let's tour the enchanting grounds. To the right of the home, you will find a magnificent swimming pool. All it needs are a few ducks paddling through the crystal blue waters. Just beyond the pool, nestled among towering oaks, is a gorgeous pond. And to the left of the house is the porch cochere, harkening back to 18th century elegance. Upon entering the home, take note of the coffered ceilings and beautiful rooms for entertaining in style. To the left is an elegant sitting room, office, or library with its own restroom. To the right are the living room and dining room. Both feature exquisite wood inlay in the floors. 119 East Kings Highway offers gracious living and scenic picture windows throughout that allow abundant light into the spacious formals. Notice how the light plays off the incredible chandelier in the dining room. Spacious kitchen and butler pantry provide ample space to entertain. Just one floor below the kitchen sits the temperature-controlled wine cellar, perfect for the wine aficionado. As you move from the first to the second floor, take note of the unique stained glass windows that frame the landing between the upper and lower floors. The master bedroom features a fireplace and an attached dressing room, which is reminiscent of the 1920s. There are two additional bedrooms on the second floor. This is gracious, loving living. Floating atop the second floor is a large space designed for entertaining. The third floor patio offers a one-of-a-kind look at San Antonio, which can be seen clearly during the day or the night. Few, if any, homes in Monte Vista share this view of the Alamo City. If you want to capture a one-of-a-kind home, if you want to be part of the history of Monte Vista and own a home that you will love and cherish forever, 119 East Kings Highway is a must-see.